Alright folks, this one's not going to be long for a couple of reasons. First of all, this thing's absolute garbage. Second of all, I don't have any pants on. And third of all, I've lost my the thing that attaches my phone to the tripod, so it's balancing, it's going to fall eventually. Now this Anko juicer I bought today, hopefully being able to extract some chili juice from chilies, maybe for a later video. Turned it on, put some shit through it, and for lack of a better term, it's fucked. I'm taking it back tomorrow, I don't want it. The reason for that is Thingo spins, so that goes in there. The little juicy bit goes on here somehow. Apparently it does. There we go. Now the idea is your food falls into it and it hits that. It gets shredded a little bit and hopefully centrifugally falls through this. However, it doesn't. That's quite a fine mesh. I don't know if you can see. But what I found happens is you put this on, there you go, and you lock it in, and it's not plugged in, but you turn it on low, you got your little plunger so you can shove it in there, but it hits there and it just bounces up, shit goes everywhere. So I would show you all the pulp and the mess that was left in here, but it was as much outside the juicer as it was inside, so I wanted to clean it up before it dried and stuck in ants, because that's how you get ants. So I have cleaned it now. Now it did actually juice. I had some quite old, maybe like 2-month-old mandarins. I thought might have some juice left in them. It did juice them. I got some mandarin juice out of it. However, the pulp that was left around here in this very well attached little segment around here had as much juice left in it as this does, so you know I could pick up handfuls of it and give it a good squeeze. I don't even know if that was in camera shot then. So maybe a third of it left the juicer and ended up back in my house again. About a third of it got juiced, and then a third of it still had juice in it around here. Cleaning this is also an absolute nightmare, so I'm not a fan of that. It's extremely inefficient. It was 59 bucks, which is expensive for Anko brand. God damn it, how do you get that on there? Expensive for Anko brand, but cheap for a juicer. I did a bit of research. I think I'm gonna go and get one of those spiral juicers that spiral shit that way into the little mesh and just forcefully squeezes everything out. That'll be the way to go, especially for chilies. This is going back tomorrow, get my 59 bucks back. Now, I'm just gonna mix some crappy mandarin juice with some crappy homemade wine, and oh, that looks great, tasty. I hope it passes the mark. Yeah, I should have taken the skins off those mandarins before I juiced them. That's a lesson learned. All right, have fun.